going to die.
He said that?
He said that to me on phone. And I called Uncle and I begged him not to resign. And he said, well, he has talked to Wole Soyinka and to Bola Tinubu, and both of them said he should go and resign. I said, don't resign. You can go to Obasanjo, tell him what you are angry about, and tell him if he doesn't want you again, this is your letter. And he did so. And Obasanjo said, okay, what do you want us to do? And they agree on what to do. And Obasanjo agreed to do what Ige suggested. And when Ige was going away, Obasanjo called him back. Don't give that letter to the press. Give it to me and get the letter from him. Ige reported to me. And he didn't resign again. It was later, after that, that he was moved to Ministry of Justice.
What was it that Ige wanted?
Well, I think he said edition was taken to undermine his position as Minister for Power. And he said Obasanjo resolved it by saying, okay, we are cancelling that decision. Obasanjo, Ige, and Atiku, both three sitting together will be resolving, will be taking decision on the issue. That's how they resolved the matter. He told me this, he told me this, you know, and he never resigned and nothing happened.
You said in your book, I knew Obasanjo to be a faithless suitor and an unblinking philanderer on the political field. You trust him at your own peril. You wrote that?
Yes, I do.
Did Bola Ige trust Obasanjo at his own peril?
I would say so. If he ever trusted him.
Did he ever trust him?
I mean, since he was resigning from his government, I think he stopped trusting him.
Who killed Bola Ige?
Pardon?
Who killed Bola Ige?
I don't know. He was killed in Oyo State. I was ruling in Osun State.
He was killed
in Oyo State. I was ruling in Osun State.
Was the crisis in Osun State related to the death of Bola Ige? The crisis between you and your deputy, Omisore?
Not in any way.
Not in any way?
Not in any way. Not in any way.
It's not connected?
It is the anticipation. It is the anticipation of the future that Bola Ige might prevent. The government killed him. The government killed Bola Ige. I said so, I'm clear.
The government?
The government killed him.
It was a state murder?
It was a state murder.
How did you arrive at this conclusion? Because at that time, you were the chief security officer of Osun State.
Yes, not of Oyo State. Lam Adesina, was the chief security something of Oyo State, went to court. And the governor that took over from him, what's the name now? Ladoja. We withdrew the case from the court. He might be able to tell you more. He might know more than I know.
Ladoja might know more.
Oh, yes.
But Lam Adesina took the case to court.
To court, yes.
So Lam Adesina knew more.
Oh, he should know more
than you knew at the time.
Oh, definitely, it happened in Oyo State.
And both of you were governors under Alliance for Democracy.
Oh, yes, we are.
So did Lam Adesina tell you what he knew?
He told me many things which I may not be able to tell you.
The many things you did not write in this book?
Yes, which I didn't write in that book.
Why, Chief Akande?
Because there are many things you may know and you don't tell the public.
You don't want to tell us?
I don't want to tell anybody.
Please tell us.
No, I will not.
We want to know.
I don't want to tell anybody.
I'm talking about Bola Ige here, your mentor.
Oh, yeah, Bola Ige is dead. Lam Adesina is dead. Who will be my witness now? Nobody. So I don't want to say. There are many things you know, it dies with you.
It dies with you?
Yes. But I know Lam Adesina went to court and he will have proved his case in court. And I know Ladoja withdrew the case from court. He would know more about how Bola Ige died.
It was government that killed Bola Ige.
It was government that killed Bola Ige.
It was not Obasanjo that killed Bola Ige.
I don't know who killed Bola Ige.
But you know it is government.
It's government.
He was the Attorney General.
Yes, government can kill anybody.
Before his death, somebody removed his cap in Ife.
Yes.
Who did that?
Honestly, I don't know.
You were the governor.
I wasn't in Ife at that time. I wasn't even in the country. But Bola Ige told me the story. You know, a year before then, when Bola Ige was 70 years old, I advised him to stop going to social.